How to visualize consumer loyalty to cell phone brands using Chord diagram by VisioChart in Microsoft Power BI. Click on the Create button. Click on the Paste or Manually Enter Data box. Paste your data. Click in the Name text box to change the table name. Click on the Create a Blank Report option. Click on 3 dots, then select Get More Visuals. Search for Chord diagram by VisioChart. Click on Chord diagram by VisioChart. Click Add button to add Chord diagram visual. Click on Chord diagram icon. Click on the Consumer Loyalty to Cell Phone Brands data. Select Measure and Dimension columns. Under Format Visual, go to General and expand Title setting. Change chart title and set heading properties according to your need. Click on File button and select Save option from drop-down. Click on Export button and export chart to PDF.